Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about what a website header is. So here on Rocket Web Builder, we have a template or many templates that consumers can use. So I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. If we go over here to the templates button, we have countless templates that customers use to build their websites. This is an example of one of the templates right here. And this template has a header. Now, what is a header per se? A header is the top bar of a website that contains the logo, the menu buttons, and a login button occasionally. Now, there's no rules specifically of what a header has to have or what it doesn't have to have, but generally it's the top bar with all the menu buttons. Now, this here is a top bar, but it's not a header. This here is a header. Typically, like I said, it's found at the top. It's a bar at the top of the website that has all the different buttons that are menu buttons. So for example, if we go over here to rocketwebbuilder.com, which is the place that you can go to build your own website without having to code, you can go over here and see that these buttons here are our header menu buttons. Pricing, want us to build a website for you, Wexpert University, templates, sign up, site login. These are all different website header buttons. And this right here is the website header in totality. Well, let's say we want to make the header more defined because people might not see or might not figure out that it's in header. Well, we can add a bottom border to the header. So this here is our Rocket Web Builder website. We can go over here to our header settings. Notice we have a button here that says header background color, and we can play around with the color of the header. So for example, if I wanted to make it a light gray color, kind of like with what you're seeing here, you can see here now that the header looks different. I could make the header larger and I can make the header smaller, just as you're seeing here. Well, let's say I wanted to make the header all white. I can go ahead and do that. I can make it white. Well, let's say we wanted to add a bottom border. I can do that as well. So something like this, right? That is our header. Well, on the header, you can change different colors. You could change different buttons. You can add logos, right? So I could hit these little plus sign buttons and I can add a search. I can add a shopping cart. I could add customized code, a login button. I could do so many different things on this header. And that's essentially what a header is. So next time you're building your website, make sure your header is very clear as to what it is. Make sure your menu's there, your logo is there, and anything else you want to add. Typically, people tend to add a shopping cart, icon buttons for a specific thing that they want to redirect to, a search, social media, some text. But generally, headers are relatively simple. If you have any questions on headers or creating headers or anything like that, shoot us in the comments down below. And of course, if you want us to build your website, check us out, rocketwebbuilder.com. Okay? See ya. Bye-bye for now.